Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a VR to share with you guys today. This is a VR for Pia, who is Craft Amazing here on YouTube, and she is Pia Pie Art on Instagram. And yeah, so she is having a birthday challenge giveaway. The requirement is to make 7 mini chunky embellishments, and so I chose to use snow and cocoa. And a lot of this is from my swap that I had last Christmas with Maria, who is Pretty Crafty on YouTube and also on Instagram. So these are her, this right here is her bag topper, and I recycled it and I chopped off the other flap, the back side, and used that because she had this gorgeous mesh and this snowflake, this pretty snowflake, and her little flat back jemmies over here. So I wanted to use that as part of my topper for Pia's box. And then I also used these thickers that I had from my stash that I bought at Walmart to put her name on top. So these are from Rhoda, I think it's Happy Little Corner. She sells these kits also in like the pencil box, but this is not from her kit. The doilies are from her kit, and this red and blue are from her kit, but the white is from my stash from Dollar Tree. These little mini pom-poms are from my stash from Hobby Lobby, and the cut parts, which is the white, the bear here, and then the trees, they came from my swap partner last year, who is Maria. Okay, so that is what I put on the top for her. I've already covered it up with tissue, but this is tissue from Walmart last year's Christmas. And so this is what I made. Yes, look at these gorgeous little totes from Christian, who's Christian's Crafty Adventure. She helped me on live and also before the live to create these little totes to handle my mini embellishments. And this is the first embellishment that I made for Pia. I did a little eraser charm from Target that my Crafty Ninja had gifted me, and that's from Target. This little Christmas tree in the background, this is the Walmart Christmas mini Christmas tree ornaments. I used that. The sweater is from my swap partner last year, and then the thick stickers here, the gingerbread man and the candy cane, are from my stash. And then the little red truck is also from the Target eraser from my Crafty Ninja. So I just added touches of stickles on the collar and on the Christmas tree. So that is one of the embellishments. And then this is another one. I just use a lot, like I said, from my swap partner. She gave me a whole bunch of embellishments from Snow and Cocoa last year. This is from this year from Hobby Lobby. This is from last year, Hobby Lobby. The snowflake, the tree, and the little embellishments are from my swap partner. And then I just touched it up with some stickles all over. I'm sorry, it's super shiny, guys, but it's kind of hard to show. There, I just touched up the little stickles that you see there on the jar and on the Christmas tree back here. Stickles on this tree also. So that's the second one. And this is the bag that Christian helped me make, and the stitching just does it perfect. Christian, you are so right. The stitching just sets it off with everything. I also made her a mini tassel, paper tassel with my scraps, and these little teeny tiny beads are from my stash, and the tag came from my swap partner. So did these paper scraps, came from her, and this little embellishment. This snowflake is from Hobby Lobby last year, and I already put the dingle balls in, that's why they're all falling out now. But there is our first bag, and she wants 7 embellishments, guys. So this is just 2 of the 7. And then I'm gonna put these 2 back in here in this cute little bag. I love it. They came out perfect. And then here is the very first bag that Christian helped me make. This came from this Snow and Cocoa kit that I purchased. And there's another mini tassel that I made, and the little teeny tiny beads also from the stash. Here is one of the embellishments, and it has the little Snow and Cocoa bear. It's sitting inside a coffee cup. Right there you can see it's a coffee cup. And then I had a star from one of the banners from, what is this, Merry Days. I just took one of the larger stars and put it behind him. This little Christmas hat is from Hobby Lobby. These little candy canes are Hobby Lobby. And then this little ephemera also from my swap partner last year. And then I hit him up with some stickles on his fur and on the little tag right there. So that is one embellishment. And then here is the next. I made these all on my live. It's another coffee to go mug, and I just attached one of the Christmas trees from my swap partner, one of those little stars from the Merry Days, this little winter words things is from my swap partner. Everything here now is from my swap partner. Put them all together, and then I added some stickles on there. So here is yet another one, and this one is an ice skate, and I just added some stickles on the tag and on the skate. For this one I put, this is a wood veneer from Dollar Tree, and I added some Nouveau drops, pink and green and white Nouveau drops, and this snowflake is from my stash. So that is the third in this baggie, and they fit so perfect in this thing. It could not be any more exact. So super cute. I love these little bags. So quick to put together. And this is the very last one that I worked on with the live with the ladies. I might add some stickles to this little tag, but here's another eraser charm that I made. One of the mini wreaths that I made in my stash. And then here's another ephemera piece from the my swap partner last year, and all of this is also from her. So here is one of the last tags. The stocking is made from my swap partner, so all of this is my swap partner from last year. And then I added the snowflake, the little house, and then the white snowflake, and then I just added some stickles on the house and the snowflake. So that is one embellishment, and here is the last embellishment. So the same with the stocking with the first one my swap partner made, put together, and then I just added the Christmas tree, the snowflake, and the gingerbread man, and then I added Nouveau drops to him, the white Nouveau, the black Nouveau. Super cute. I'm loving these stockings. I wish I had the die for this, but you know, there it is. That's why we have swaps, is so we can get stuff that we don't have and put them to use. And I am so glad that she gave me these, because everything that she gave to me I did use all from her swap. So I thank you, Maria. I really appreciate everything that you gave me, and now look at what you've made me create. It's all beautiful. I love it. Love, love, love it. So there we go, guys. I just sprinkled in some of these Dollar Tree red foam balls, but I also want to add in, where is it? Of course, we gotta add in some more of the fun stuff. So here is my stash from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna add some of these foam balls in there. These are just fun stuff that you can reuse, you know. Just gorgeous, and it goes well with the collection. just beautiful, and I just love everything. It just came out so pretty. I wish I had pink, but I don't have any pink. These are bigger than the red ones. These are also from Dollar Tree. And just gonna add the gold filler balls. I thought I had some white ones, but I guess they went somewhere else. But that's okay. It's perfect. I threw in some glitter, some foam balls, some Christmas balls, so that is gorgeous. I hope she likes this. I hope she enjoys the fun stuff in there. But I will also be making more of the eraser charms. Actually, I will just go ahead and throw these in there also, because why not, right? The wreaths, snowflakes, they're so cute, and I love it. Perfect. Okay. Love, love, love. All right, and that is it, guys. That is my entry to Pia's birthday challenge giveaway. I will link her channel down below, and please go check her out and send her some love. Maybe you still have time. I think you still have time to enter her giveaway, so go check her out, send her some love, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.